Alright, so this is New Haven. This is post jet cleaning. Still a little steamy in here from the high pressure jetter. But you can see how much more round the pipe is now. Tiny bit of water still in there, but not holding near as much as before. We're able to round out that bottom pretty good and get rid of a lot of that channeling. Still a little bit of channeling there. Again, we don't want to go too hard on it because we don't want to destroy the bottom of the pipe. This looks a million times better than it did when we first got here. So now we're back to our double Y. And we went all ways. We pulled out almost an entire 5-gallon bucket full of scale, which I'll show you here in a minute. Night and day difference. Oh, somebody just flushed the toilet. I heard it. See if we can see it come at us. It could be all the way on the other side of the building, so it may even take a while for it to come to us, but see if we see it. Might have sucked all the water out of their toilet too, so they may have to flush it again. There it comes. So this is it's going to be hard to show on the video, but this is our 5-gallon bucket. And it's almost completely full of cast iron scale. And this is building 15.